Nike continues to keep the Air Force 1 low relevant even after its 40th anniversary by dressing Bruce Kilgore's classic silhouette in a fresh Realtree Camo look for fall. The sneaker features a striking off-noir, multicolor and gum yellow scheme, with dark tones dominating the canvas upper and sole, while woodland-inspired camouflage decorates the forefoot, tongue, swooshes, and heel. Autumn vibes are further highlighted by leaf patterns and outdoor scenery, giving the pair a rugged seasonal edge. Distinct details such as a star-shaped metal eyelet and Realtree branding beneath the tongue add flair and authenticity. This new release maintains the Air Force 1's role as a versatile staple while offering collectors and fans a stylish, seasonal option. Official photos confirm the unique touches, with pairs scheduled to launch on October 3 through Nike.com for $125, ensuring this iconic model remains a centerpiece of Nike's footwear lineup.